On today's menu, an incredibly delicious recipe you can make with only 3 ingredients: vegan mayo.
Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. This is the easiest vegan mayo.
Pat down your soft tofu to remove some of the excess moisture. Blender. Juice from 1 lemon. One tablespoon Dijon mustard. Blend on high until smooth.
I mean, seriously, just look at that. That is absolutely incredible.
You can now make this incredible vegan mayo with absolute confidence.
Who would have known just with a few simple ingredients you can make this incredible vegan mayo? Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.